Yo, what is going on? Video game collectors and steelbook collectors. You know who it is. It's your boy, Real Steelbook, coming at you with another video. Today, when we'll be looking at Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Xbox Series X, the Cowabunga Collection. A collection of 13 different TMNT games over the years and a bunch of collectible goodies inside the box. This was released on August 30th of 2022, and as I said, this one is for the Xbox Series X. I'm not really going to go into all of the different games. It's going to take me way too much time, so we'll just dive right into the meat and potatoes of the box itself and what's inside of it. So you saw the front, here's the side of the box. Both sides of the box are exactly the same. I'm going to flip it over to the back here. Take a look at what's on the back. Manufactured by Konami. Pretty good deal with all the different games that you get inside the one box. I got this awesome knife for opening up the boxes. So let's use that and break this puppy open and see what's inside. Peel away the plastic here. Toss that aside. Lift up the slip cover. And I have not opened this yet, so I have no idea what's inside it other than what I read on the box itself. So, back of the interior of the box is all yellow and green. I'm gonna open this up. See what's inside here. Just a little insert. Here's the game itself. So there's the front of the game and the back. I'm going to go ahead and open this up right now. Take a look at what's inside here. Okay, there's no codes or anything like that. Flip the disc around so you can get a good look at it. That's the inside. Okay, we'll get back to the interior of the box here. That's nothing. Alright, let's take a look and see what this is. I have to break out my knife here. Can't get this. Oh, there we go. Get this open. Okay. This is some type of cloth poster. That's pretty cool looking. Sorry if you can't see the whole thing. I like to shoot my videos close up for these smaller video games, but sometimes that doesn't work out too well for these bigger items, but you get the gist of it. And I also like to do these videos off the cuff. I don't like to do a lot of editing and all that type of stuff. I like to get the actual reaction when I take the things out of the box. But yeah, it's a nice little cloth wall poster. Pretty colorful, nice stuff. Let's see what else is in the boxes here. I'll use that as a backdrop. Back to our box, and what do we have here? So I'm not going to open this up. It's a set of, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stickers. Pins. 5 pins. So that's pretty cool. Set those aside. Let's see what else is in our magical box here. Okay, not quite sure what this is. Let me see. It's acrylic. Okay, let me see here. So I've got some acrylic pieces. These go into a stand. Let's see if I can figure out how to put this together. Take these pieces out. All right, so this piece here is the main stand that the pieces are going to fit into. So let's get that out. Bear with me here. Okay. Take this piece out here. This looks like it's probably the back. And it's not wanting to slide out of there for me very easily. Got it. Pretty sure this is the background. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. Oh, it's the middle piece. These are really difficult to get in here. Well, I'm not going to put this whole thing together because these are extremely difficult to get into the slots, but I will take them out of the bags so you can get a better look at them because they're kind of grainy looking when they're inside the bags. But you get the gist of it. They're going to all fit into the little slots in here and make an overall picture. This will be the background, I guess. I'm going to have to use my knife on this one. Give me a little bit of a hard time getting open. Okay. So yeah, that's going to be the background, and I'll put that together at a later time. And there's one more item in here inside the box. I think that's it. I could be wrong. Might be one more thing. Anyway. Looks like this might be a set of cards. That's cool. Lenticulars. All right. Got Leonardo, Michelangelo, Donatello, Raphael, Armagon, Aska, Chrome Dome, Carrie, or Karai, I'm sorry, Rat King, Shredder, War, Wingnut, and we're back to the beginning with Leonardo. So those were cool. I liked those. Definitely worked out better than the little puzzle pieces there. One last thing. There is a Turtles Cowabunga collection art book. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because, as you can see, this is pretty thick, but that was the front. There's the back. Let's just get a quick overview of what's inside here. Concept art. Just randomly go through some pages. So, pretty nice little book there to go with everything. And that's it. So, if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate it. Sorry that I couldn't put the little puzzle pieces together there. It might have been a half-hour video if I tried to do it. But anyway, thank you for watching. And if you wouldn't mind, I would appreciate a like. And if you could subscribe and leave a comment, that would be awesome. That'll help me to create more content and keep improving my content. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.